Do you feel stressed out and frazzled by your fast-paced lifestyle? Would you like to learn how to manage stress and take good care of yourself? In this video, I'm gonna share with you some self-care strategies that are gonna help you to accomplish a lot and take good care of yourself. Hi, I'm Dr. Elias Moitinho with Motivation and Growth. In this channel, I give you tips and life skills for you to grow in your life. If you are new here, I invite you to subscribe. Stress can be very detrimental to your mental and physical health. Therefore, you need to take good care of yourself. So, follow these self-care strategies in this video. The self-care strategy that I'm going to share with you here is based on the biopsychosocial spiritual approach that counselors use every day with their clients. It means you need to take care of your body, you need to take care of your mind, take care of your relationships, and take care of your soul. So let's start with take care of your body. You need to have an active lifestyle, so you need to engage in physical activity, whether it's walking, jogging, running, playing some kind of sports. You need to be active. You also need to have a healthy diet. It's important that you take care of your body by eating well. You may need to talk to a nutritionist, a dietitian, and get a good plan for you to eat well. Also have adequate amounts of sleep. The recommended amount for adults is 7 to 9 hours per day. You need to rest well, not just on the weekends. Be sure to take regular rest also during the week, and have an annual medical checkup to ensure that you are well, and if there is something wrong, the doctor will catch it and will help you. Take care of your mind. Have a healthy, positive attitude. Develop the habit of having positive thinking throughout the day. You start your morning with a positive attitude. I like to say, this is the day that the Lord has made. I will rejoice. I will be glad in it. Also, relax and do not feel guilty. Relaxing is important. Take mini vacations or breaks throughout the day. That helps quiet your mind, that helps deal with the levels of stress, reduces the adrenaline that is rushing through your body. It's important also to unplug your social media. Some people call it a digital detox. It's okay if you disconnect from social media from time to time, and develop productivity habits that will maximize your work. You may want to watch my video on how to have a productive day. Take care of your relationships. If you are married, your spouse is number one in your life. So spend time with your spouse, spend time with your family. If you are single, spend time with meaningful people in your life, the good friends you have. Maximize the time and the fun you have with them. It's good for your mental health. Develop healthy boundaries. It protects you, it protects your relationships. And learn to say no, because when you say no to certain things, then you can say yes to other things, yes to the things that are best for your life. Take care of your soul. I'm going to address this from a Christian perspective. I'm a Christian, and God is central in my life. So I will say, to take care of your soul, you need to grow in your relationship with God. The practices that I would say you need to engage in would be worship. Worship regularly. Go to your church and really have a meaningful time of worship with God. Have a time of devotional every day. Spend some time reading the Bible, reading a verse in the Bible, and seek to understand it and apply it to your life. Spend some time in prayer. It's a way to connect with God, and it also gives you a lot of peace in your soul. And something very important to take care of your soul is be sure to clarify your life's purpose, because when you understand your purpose in life, you can live it and you can enjoy it and experience fulfillment in your life. If you liked this video, click the like button, share it with your friends, and be sure to subscribe. See you in the next video. And remember, take care of your life.